Hello, everybody. Hi, my name is Antoinette Hunter. And what's your name?
My name is Reginette.
Reginette. And this is?
Renaggio Hunter.
This is Renaggio Hunter. Reginette Hunter, Antoinette Hunter. So today we're going to have fun activity with art and craft. So as you can see over here, I do have different types of materials. Anyway, before I go any further, if this is your first time tuning into our channel, you are very welcome. We're so excited to have you and thank you for supporting us. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. So today I have some beautiful material in front of us for art. You know guys, art is so much fun. It's relaxing and it's extremely educational because the kids get to relax their brain. They get to get in the zone where they can think critically and they can create in their own world. So I am not telling them how to do it. That is the best way. But first, I'm going to model some of the things to you. And if you are excited like we are, get your materials ready. We have papers. So I have different texture papers here. You see? You can hear it makes different sound. This is kind of like a cardboard. It's bumpy. I have just paper that we just cut, different kinds of papers. I have the post-it, glue, so materials, paper, crayons, different kinds of papers, texture papers if you want to. I have cups here to pour the glue inside. We have a scissors and I'm going to allow them to be their own person and do their creativity. Now we're going to start first. I get to give the glue, pour the glue in there just to avoid making a mess. So I'm gonna squeeze it, but with the kids, you wanna get them do it because it's exciting just to push, squeeze. Kids like to do that. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Nice. So this is the best time for you to kind of like instill some language going on with the kids. That's it. Especially with children. They love doing stuff like this. It's very relaxing and they can think clearly. We have our popsicle sticks. Get your popsicle sticks ready. If you don't have popsicle sticks, you can find sticks from outside for your dipping, to dip the glue. Some kids don't like to touch it. Squeeze. Kids of all ages love doing artwork, art projects. They're learning their colors, they're learning shapes, they are learning numbers, they are learning creativity, they are thinking critically. You see the glue is just coming out. Okay, so I'm going to pour my own glue in there too. Whoa, look, it's coming out really nicely. Okay, so now I have the papers here, guys. You guys can create anything you want to create with your art project, right? Your paper. I have all kinds of paper here. You can use the cardboard if you want to. And let's see what you guys come up with. You have your scissors, you can cut. So look, what I'm going to do first, I'm going to cut my paper in half. See, I didn't plan this. I just decided to do this. I didn't plan on how to make my art. I just create my own stuff. You can do yours too. Go ahead, you can start making your own art project. Okay, you can use a scissors. See, I cut mine in two halves. Put it right here.
Like that?
You can cut it any way you want to cut it. Now look, I have a square. I can cut my square in half. Wow, I made a diamond. Nice. My diamond shape. And then I can have...
Mama, that's a rectangle.
This one, this was right here. Which one? This is a triangle.
Yeah, triangle.
This is a triangle right here, and then this is my rectangle right here. If you turn it this way, it's a diamond. You see that, right? And then when you turn it,
it's a square.
It's a square. And then when you separate it, it's two triangles. So I'm gonna place it here. And let me see what else I can cut. Are you cutting something? Now I have my paper. It's not enough paper here. Don't cut it too small because you don't want to make a lot of.
My circle.
That's the circle?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure? Okay. So now I'm gonna cut my paper. I'm just gonna cut it down straight. Okay. I'm cutting it to create my own art. I'm sorry guys so look what I'm doing. So I'm going to leave this other piece right there to the side. Now I'm going to put all of this right here next to me and see what I can create with this.
Got one triangle. And another triangle.
So I have my triangles, two triangles here. I have my two green rectangles. I have my square here. Let me see what I can create with this. Let me see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna cut here. Let me see what shape I'm going to get. I'm going to cut here. I'm going to cut here. Look. Oh, what is this?
A house.
It's a house and it's a pentagon, right?
Yep.
Are you sure this is a pentagon?
It's not a pentagon.
What is it?
What's the other shape?
It's a hexagon, right? If it has 6 shapes, but this doesn't look like a hexagon. This is actually a house. I made my house. Now let me see what I can turn my shape into. Oh! Wow! What does this look like? This is an octagon.
This looks kind of
This
like
looked like an octagon to me. That looked like a farm. And I made little triangles. And then I'm going to...
I'm making feet, Mommy.
Now I'm going to start making my own project now. I'm going to start with my artwork. So we're ready. So I'm going to do dip, dip, dip. Look, dip, 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 dip. Tap, tap, tap. Spread, spread, spread. Like butter on a bread. Oops, I put my octagon. This is the way I make my own octagon. Right? Guys, remember this is creativity. So it doesn't matter how you do it. You just have to enjoy what you're doing and have your own purpose for doing it. So now the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to have all the papers that I cut from my cardboard, right? So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's do dip, dip, dip. You're ready? Okay, let's do it. Say it together.
Dip,
Dip, dip, dip. Dip, dip, dip. Tap, tap, tap. Spread, spread, spread. Like butter on a bread. So actually, you're actually dipping. For kids that are learning to talk, they will love activities like these where they're actually communicating. Dip, dip, dip. Tap, tap, tap. Spread, spread, spread. Like butter on the bread.
You know what I'm making?
What are you making?
I'm making a bird.
A bird?
Yeah, a bird.
Okay. I'm just making frames.
This is
Now, ta-da! I just made my shape collage. Look what I have. I have so many colors on mine. You see that? Guys, get some papers, get materials, go to the store, get some flyers, put it on the table, let your kids tear it, let them cut it with the scissors, and you can use even construction papers at home. They can color on it if you want to, and then they can glue it on their paper to make anything of their choice. Right? This is my shape collage. It is my work. I did it. I made it all by myself. Yay! Let me see what you got. What are you making?
Finished.
You're not finished yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
I need help cutting the cardboard.
You need help? Well, you can do it. You're doing a good job cutting it yourself. Nice.
The glue turned blue. My glue's turning red.
Dip, dip, dip. Tap, tap, tap. Spread like butter on the bread. Very good. Wow, what did you make? What did you make? Can you tell me about your work?
I made a picture frame, and then these are trees. That the bird's flying with.
Okay.
And then the bird's having fun flying.
Okay, where's the bird?
Right over here.
Wow. So can you just explain it one more time, please?
So these are the trees.
Okay.
And this is a frame.
Okay.
And this is the bird's food.
Okay, beautiful. I love that illustration. Oh my goodness, this is great. I love it. This is beautiful. So, what do you do next? How would they know that it's yours? You always have to put your name on your paper, right? So let's use a crayon to write your name. If you want, you can put it you want to put it at the back of it. You can just put your initial at the back of it when it's dry, right? You can write it R for Regionette. And same thing, all of my children are R's. Start with the letter R. Now you tell me about your picture.
I made a hexagon, 2 triangles, and I made a bird, and I made a rectangle.
Wow.
There's a hexagon.
Okay.
And like I made these for like a TV or a picture frame.
Wow, this is awesome. So we have our work. So let's see. Yay, we did it. Hold your work and let everybody see what you made. We all made our beautiful art framework. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate you spending time and watching our art project with us. Thank you very much. Goodbye. That's it.
Bye. That's all we're